on learning activities for your preschoolers and some books we bought and anything about motherhood and my life as a working mom, as a teacher as well. So in this video, we'll be sharing video, we got new books, thrifted books from our Zigbee Working Moms Management. So right now, mauni siya ang among mga gipalit. And we got a freebie. So thank you Working Moms Management for sending us a freebie with our first book that we will share to you is this Remarkable Animals.
What's
This
that?
one.
It's fish.
A mix and match to create 1,000 crazy creatures.
Eee.
So the first creature is a platypus. Then they can mix and match. It's a trunk fish. Can mix and match the pages of the book.
Huh? It's like a crab.
Hala. Yawan.
Now it's tail. Is it a bird? No. What are you doing?
Mixing and matching the head, the body, and the tail of each animal in the book, as well as their names. Like this one, it's called a Zigbee Camps Out. It's about Zigbee the Zebra. So let's try to look at the pages. And we'll read this later before we go to bed.
Bed story going at show.
This is Zigbee the Zebra, Birdie Bird, and McNear. So, ano siya mga pages?
Mommy, just read it.
We'll read it later.
Mama,
Let's look at the pages first. So, this is like brand new book, but actually these are pre-loved books. It looks nice. We also have Busy Bunnies. It's perfect for the Easter season, the Holy Week. We will read this next month.
and Easter.
And we also have two pet bunnies. What are your rabbits' names?
Then I will understand ang bunny.
Oh, like our rabbit. Kasi
Peppa
nga-
and George.
Yes, they call the bunnies Peppa and George.
But when Angel go up,
The word book is about Jonah and the whale.
Bible book na.
Yes, you know this story already. We'll read this with Enzo.
Tail naman.
This is perfect for Enzo because Enzo likes to tear the pages of the book. Because this is a board book, binigay niya mag-isip. This book, we got this for 35 pesos. The Busy Bunnies, we got this for 60 pesos.
This one is like
The
George.
Zigbee is kind of pricey for a pre-love book, but I guess this is worth it since it looks very nice. But this is 120 pesos.
Oh.
And this one too, Terror of the Sea. So when we learn about letter U, under, we can talk about under the sea, the creatures under the sea.
Like the song about under the sea.
Like the song about under the sea in the Little Mermaid. So there are many looks what? Does he look happy, sad, surprised? What do you think? Or scared? What's your answer? He looks what?
He looks like... I don't know.
What do you think? Look at his face, oh. Ito man na.
I think surprise.
Surprised? Let's see, when we read this book, I'm like, puffer fish, different kinds of fish. The Zoom Rocket Zoom book. We got this for 99 pesos. It looks really nice.
Mama, read not that.
Lagi mag-read tayo. Just be patient. So this is about the outer space. It looks really nice. The drawings. Like astronaut. Astronaut. What's the beginning sound?
A.
Correct. It starts with letter A. There's space shuttle. And then different things about this storybook. Enzoy is restless. He's busy. There are just so many wonderful reasons to read books with your children. But what I like the most is developing a special bond with your child while you are reading. It goes without saying that reading to your young child on a regular basis can help you forge a stronger relationship with them. When it comes to children, one of the most important things you can do to positively influence their development is spend time with them. Home is where your heart is because it's the place to be. There are my two cheeky brothers, Mommy, Daddy, and me. Home means opening the curtains on a bright, sunny day, gobbling breakfast and running outside to play. That's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.